Shit, I don't know what's up with these motherfuckers. Niggas talking behind my back. I don't know what's up with them. Niggas got the game fucked up. About to get my motherfucking change up. Nigga in the game, about to expose you hoes. I got expensive taste and I got expensive clothes. Counterfeit niggas wearing counterfeit clothes. Counterfeit bitches wearing other bitches' clothes. I don't put coke up in my nose, smoke weed 365 to the day I die. I'm from the agony, bitch, I made it out the damn hood without catching up felony. But I ain't been no snitching, no telling on none of my niggas. I posted up on Gibbons in that road to 6 figures, trying to get richer than richer. Yeah, that bitch is the devil, she try to give me the kiss of death, but I ain't never kissed her. I'm loyal to the shit like I ain't never fucked a sister. You see me on the block, I'm rolling up a swisher. If I leave the game, will you ever miss her? Nah, I never miss her. I will leave quick, faster. Nigga, I'm a blaster. Nigga, catch ghosts like Casper. Shout out to that nigga Lil Babe. I'm a hustler, I'm a king, just a ring. Put it down for Latin Nation, no Latin kings, no Latin night. Nigga, I'm ready to fight, shine bright in the limelight or the spotlight. Nigga, get your rhymes tight. Nigga came up out the gutter. Ain't nobody realer than me. Ain't nobody realer than my motherfucking mother. Keep alive in the mix like my one. That's my brother. You know I'm on the microphone, bitch, I never stutter. You always wear them rubbers, cause little girls turn into mothers. And you see me, nigga, post up on the darkest night. Yeah, see me pull up in that dark night. Bruce Wayne, bitch, you know I'm deep up in the game. Yeah, the game is deep, but it ain't deeper than my pain. Let me explain how I got my fucking game. Let me teach you what I know. Let me explain what I know. Let me tell you everything. Just listen, bro. But you ain't trying to listen. You wanna fucking talk over real ass niggas, so that's why your dumb ass is still stuck. Nigga, you ain't even got a buck. You ain't even got $100 bill to pay the light bill. Nigga, you ain't real. Nigga, if Pimp C your pockets here, and niggas will